Hello there and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Josephine and the proud host of It's My Kitchen. I hope you stop by hungry. Please come with me. On this channel, you will be able to learn easy, simple, tasty and healthy recipes that anyone can make. Trust me. You will learn how to transform your leftovers into amazing work of art. Pass by anytime for your delicious, creamy, crunchy desserts and snacks. I upload new videos every week. Please subscribe and let's have a feast. Thank you. Oh, one thing. I kind of meant it when I said subscribe. I mean it. Please subscribe. It's free. You get free recipes every week. Subscribe!